Welcome to another video. Yet again, I do have ticker PLRZ, Polyrizon Ltd, currently trading at $1. Now, this is one that just IPO'd just around 2 months ago, so there's no dilution, and there is a 3 to 6 month lockup period where insiders cannot sell their shares. Guys, drop a quick like for me on this video if you are enjoying this content. It does really help me out. I have no program to sell you, no Discord, anything like that. And a lot of research and time does go into making these videos and finding these plays. But you can see they just partnered with just around a $9 billion company. You can see Polyrizon enters into GMP manufacturing agreement for CTM supply of its PL14 allergy blocker in preparation for their planned 2025 clinical trial. So why is this so important? Because they are actually partnering with Eurofins. Now, Eurofins is a $9 billion corporation, has 62,000 employees across a network of over 900 laboratories in over 1,000 companies in 62 countries. So a very massive partnership. Eurofins offers a portfolio of over 200,000 analytical methods. Eurofins Scientific SE shares are listed on the Euronext Paris Stock Exchange, and they do have this huge partnership as they are preparing for this planned 2025 clinical trial, which is a very nice catalyst, and it only continues to get better. So we just talked about this partnership that they announced just 15 days ago, but just 4 days ago, they just appointed a new VP of Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance. So Polyrizon announces this appointment. Now, why is this so key? Because Asaf Azule, the managing director of Eurofins lead med team. So keep in mind, Eurofins is that $10 billion plus corporation, or just around that. So it's $4 million market cap penny stock, just added the managing director of this corporation to its leadership as its VP, Vice President of Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance. They go on to say that this strategic appointment reflects Polyrizon's ongoing commitment to maintaining the highest industry standards as it advances its pipeline of cutting-edge solutions. So not only do they have that massive manufacturing and partnership agreement with Eurofins, they just brought on the managing director of Eurofins, one of their sectors or segments right here. So this is huge right here. It just shows that Eurofins is highly confident in PLRZ's technology and that they are working extremely closely together. What does this company actually do? Well, first of all, we're going to talk about that and go deeper into this. But Polyrizon is a biotech company focused on the development and commercialization of innovative intranasal products. So looking at the daily chart, we do have this very nice wedge pattern. If we do break out of this trend line right here, there's the one on the top, we could see a parabolic type move once volume does come in. Now, looking at some resistance levels for this one, like I said, this one did just IPO, so there's really not much resistance to worry about. If we do break out of this $2 all-time high, there is absolutely no ceiling, meaning this one could continue to have a massive historic run. So looking at this one, at some resistance levels on this play for ticker PLRZ, there is some very strong resistance at this $1.25 area, because if you look on the daily, that is a very big wall. And then if you look on the weekly chart as well, you can see this is a very strong resistance level. And if we do break over this one, there is tremendous room for the upside. Now, another big level right here is some strong weekly resistance at the $1.04, $1.05, around that area. Like I said, if we do break out of this wedge, we should see strong momentum to really battle this $1.25 level. And like I said, is huge room for upside after we do hold over that level. Now, looking at the MACD, the histogram is green on the daily, showing a strong bullish uptrend. It looks like RSI is sitting just around 45, indicating this one is oversold, looking ready for a bounce. The chart is setting up very nicely. Looking at the market cap, we are sitting at a very tiny $4 million valuation, and the free float is sitting under 3 million shares. The float is sitting at 2.8 million shares. So when volume comes in, this one can move very quickly, especially if we do break over these key resistance areas. Now, why is it important that this one is trading at this very tiny $4 million market cap? Well, they did just have an IPO, an initial public offering, for $4.2 million, which is higher than the current market cap. So they do have cash right now, at least for the time being. What they're doing is they have created this nasal spray device that basically delivers an invisible biological mask with a thin shield containment barrier in the nasal cavity.
We provide therapeutic nasal spray solutions to protect hundreds of millions worldwide. Our nose is the port of entry for viruses and allergens. How can we decrease those daily threats? Introducing Capture and Contain, a 3D polymeric network easily sprayed to the nose to form a physical barrier that acts like a biological mask. Capture and Contain platform is an innovative technology that demonstrated an ability to neutralize viruses and allergens in well-accepted cell culture assays and can potentially block its interactions with the nasal tissue.
So this technology can readily be adapted for a wide range of applications to protect the human body from airborne assaults like allergens, viruses, and molds, even including the COVID-19 variant, the flu, and much more. So 90% of the contaminated air we breathe is inhaled through the nose and can cause serious health issues. So this breakthrough technology can prevent dust, pollutants, pet dander. So if you have pet allergies, this can basically prevent that as well, or has the potential to. Whenever these pandemics happen, this is a technology that could be heavily utilized and implemented.
Our platform can be rapidly tailored to target types of biological assaults and potentially bring fast solutions for pandemic outbreaks to come. But our innovation doesn't stop only in prevention. The Trap and Target platform is providing therapeutic solutions for delivery of medicines via the inner nose surface. Nasal spray drug administration is favorable thanks to a high presence of blood vessels and nerves that enable the absorption of medicine into the bloodstream and to the central nervous system.
They do have two different breakthrough technologies. The first one was the Capture and Contain, which is a nasal spray device that makes an invisible shield or barrier to prevent allergens, pandemic type illnesses, and much more. Now, they also have the Trap and Target technology, which is basically this breakthrough technology for intranasal drug delivery. This Trap and Target technology is designed to overcome the drug delivery limitations of both local and systemic administration.
Yet, nasal products have shortcomings, as due to nasal natural clearance, drugs often cleared from the nose before complete absorption. The Trap and Target platform enables a long residence time and an intimate contact with the mucosal tissue for potentially improved therapeutic outcomes.
So this is ticker PLRZ, Polyrizing LTD, currently trading at $1, and wanted to get this video out before the market opened. There are some very nice connections, a very big catalyst, and a lot going on with ticker PLRZ. Did make it this far in the video, really do appreciate you. Should have a new play out tomorrow. And hope you guys did enjoy this content, and I will see you on the next video.